Pungathirvel is a renowned poet and writer well known for his profound work in the Tamil language. His poetry is celebrated for its deep emotional resonance and thought provoking themes, capturing the essence of human experience. The invasion of Juliflora in Tamil Nadu is a serious environmental issue that has had detrimental effects on the local ecosystem. Also known as Prosopis juliflora, this invasive plant species was introduced in the early 20th century for its soil stabilizing properties and as a source of firewood. However, it has rapidly spread and has become a major threat to native flora and fauna in Tamil Nadu. Juliflora's aggressive growth habit and ability to outcompete native species has led to the degradation of local ecosystems, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of natural habitats. Efforts are underway to control the spread of Juliflora and restore the balance of the ecosystem in the region. The invasive plant species Prosopis juliflora, commonly known as Juliflora, has had a detrimental impact on the environment and local communities. This fast-growing and aggressive plant has invaded large areas of land, outcompeting native vegetation and disrupting the local ecosystem. Its deep roots deplete groundwater, leading to desertification and loss of biodiversity. Moreover, it poses a serious threat to agriculture by reducing the productivity of arable land and causing damage to infrastructure. The spread of Juliflora has also led to social and economic challenges for communities, affecting livelihoods and traditional land use practices. Pungathirvel has been actively engaged in raising awareness about the threat of Juliflora through educational workshops, community outreach programs, and social media campaigns. By organizing events and information sessions, Pungathirvel has effectively highlighted the detrimental impact of Juliflora on the local ecosystem and biodiversity, educating the public about the need for its eradication. Collaborative efforts with local communities and authorities are crucial for sustainable development and effective governance. By engaging with the community and working closely with local authorities, organizations can ensure that their initiatives align with the needs and priorities of the people they serve. This collaborative approach fosters trust, promotes inclusivity, and leads to more impactful outcomes. One effective strategy for removing Juliflora is manual uprooting, which involves physically pulling the plants out of the ground. This method is labor-intensive but can be effective for smaller infestations. The future plans and vision for combating Juliflora in Tamil Nadu include implementing community-based initiatives to involve local residents in the removal and control of the invasive species. This may involve conducting awareness campaigns, providing training on effective removal techniques, and incentivizing participation. Furthermore, the use of eco-friendly and sustainable methods such as biocontrol agents and the promotion of alternative, native plant species will be key in restoring the natural ecosystem of the region.